and welcome to our Likeable Forms Stripe extension tutorial. So today we're going to just walk you through setting up your payment forms. It's pretty straightforward. To get started, you always want to start by adding your Likeable Forms license key, and then you also want to add your Stripe publishable key and your Stripe secret key. Go ahead and add those and hit validate license key. I went ahead and did that already. Just get started. On your screen, if this is the first time you set it up, you'll see your settings appear directly behind this little pop-up. So a few options here that you have to choose from for your pricing is you can easily use product fields to calculate price, a fixed form total if you already know the price going into it and it's going to be the same for everyone. We also have a populate total with query string. We'll provide some information for that on our website, and then choose a recurring Stripe subscription plan if you plan on offering subscriptions. So we'll cover a couple of these. Let's go ahead and get started with use product fields to calculate price. You'll see a drop down appear, and you'll notice if you haven't added any product fields, you'll get a prompt that says please add some product fields to your form. So let's go ahead and jump over here and do that. We'll add a product single select and a product multi select. You can add images, you can change the price here or the product name. You can also pre-select a few options if you want to. And then let's jump back into our settings, and now we can go ahead and add these. And so by adding these fields to the drop down, it'll take whatever selections your customers choose and it'll calculate that, apply it towards the total. Additionally though, let's go ahead and cover a Stripe recurring subscription plan. You'll want to set these subscriptions up directly inside of Stripe, and then we'll populate this drop down for you and we'll get all the data over to your payment form that way. So you just go ahead and choose a subscription. Let's say, for example, we choose this demo option here, and we set the price up on Stripe for $100. That's the price that's going to be shown to your customers on your website. And then we'll also have a few fields that we want to attach to the customer, like the customer name, email, phone. Let's go ahead and add those fields to our form since we don't have any. So we'll do email, phone, and we'll use a text field for the name. And then we'll jump back over into our settings, and we can go ahead and start mapping the data. So we'll use the text field for the name, email for the email, and phone for the phone. Now the checkout button text, this is going to take over the traditional submit button text that you'll see. So you can add this, you can make this whatever you like. You could say pay or checkout. And then lastly, we're going to include a summary total before the payment fields in your form, but you can also add the total if you want to the checkout button as well. There you go, that's it.